Namaste 𝓢𝓸𝓯𝓲 and hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be about my first PR package. I've received my very first PR package and I'm really excited to open it with you guys together. I hope you guys will like First of all, I would like to say sorry for the background sound because there is a construction going on, and this is my PR package. I would like to thank Clothing Line Hong Kong for sending me a lot of goodies. I'm really excited. I think so. I'm gonna open it now. So there are so many things. Just gonna lay it down in here. The first item is this small mini handbag in violet color. I really like it. It comes with like this chain straps. It comes with this long straps as well. There's like two options for this. It's really cute. Like the material is एकदम soft, so it doesn't seem like it's cheap, not at all, because it's like soft, really nice. And इसको बाहर से it's like a leather finishing look. These are the second items. I got 3 Chanel earrings. First one is this. Second one is this. Oh, this one matches my mini handbag. And the third one is this. Well, I'm gonna try these on at the end of the video and I'm gonna show you guys with all my other jewelries as well. So let's go for third item. My third item is this butterfly jewelry set. Let's say it's just a set. I got like 5 pair of butterfly earrings. 3 of them is the ring ones and 2 of them is the one you poke it. I got 3 butterfly necklaces. One is like yellow, pink, and red. Let's go for the fourth item. The fourth item is this 2 set of lip oil or lip gloss. Let's say lip oil for now. So I'm gonna open this one. This one really reminds me of my childhood because the packaging is cute. This one is the strawberry ones. This one is the cherry ones. And this one is the grape one. I really love the grape one because the smell is so good. Let's open the cherry one for now. This one got tape though. Because the corner got a Oh, this one got tape. Let me just open it.
6.5 hours later.
It's taking really long time. This is how Nepalese do. यस्तै त हो नि नेपाली भैसी. Oh my god. This is so good. It really like reminds me of my childhood. पहिला सानो हुँदा मैले पाण्डालामा किन्थे. पाण्डालाको दुईटामा पाउँथे यो चाहिँ. This one is the cherry ones. I want to smell the grape one. Let's open this one. It got green apple, orange, and lemon. I don't really like orange. I'm gonna go for green apple for now while my mom opens the grape one for me. This one smells so good.
Oh my god! Wow!
It smells so good. Oh my god, this really reminds me of my childhood. I'm gonna keep this. This Smells so good. Okay, so let's go for item number 5. So my 5th item is this. This is a blue eyeliner. Let's open this and see. It comes like this. Yama. This is like eyeliner, you can see. It is really pigmented, and I was expecting it to be like a dark blue, but this is light blue. But you can do like cool eye looks with this. Really pigmented, and I really like it. I'll definitely use this for my eye looks. Let's go for the item number 6. My 6th item is this lip tattoo. I've used this like way before. I used this in different shade, but this one is light pink. This is long-lasting lip color, and the flavor is watermelon. It's like a lip tint, but like a lip tattoo. You have to make this dried up, and it will last long, more like in 24 hours. This is the color. You can use this for like a soft makeup. धेरै makeup नलाएको दिनमा चाहिँ थोरै थोरै लाउँदा हुन्छ. Let's go for item number 7. This is the 7th item. This is a clear mega clear brown and lash mascara. It's from Wet n Wild. मैले चाहिँ यो clear वाला mascara चाहिँ कहिले नि use गरेको छैन. So it's gonna be a new makeup item for me. I think so. I'm just gonna open this. Close way. I can try for my brow. Will it sit? Mirror makeup. Okay. It is clear. This one got like an alcohol smell. Just try. Oh, sorry. This one is really nice. I'll use this for my brows. Really nice. Thank you. Let's go for the last item now. This is the last item, and it's like a small bag. It comes with stickers, and there is a ring as well, and there is a card. There are a few stickers. I'm gonna show you guys. One, just like go home. What is this? The sunflower gall 6 and be happy. What's the aesthetic type of stickers are? So you can like put it on your fridge. Sticker freeze at the. This is the card I got. You can see it's from this store, online store, Clothing Line Hong Kong, since 2020. You can see, hi, thank you so much for purchasing from us. We really appreciate your support. Contact us Instagram Clothing Line Hong Kong _ and for the email clothinglineHongKong@gmail.com. I will just put a picture on it of the Instagram. And this is the last thing I got. This is the ring. This is the strawberry ring. Oh, this one fits perfect. This is the strawberry ring. Now I'm gonna showcase you all the jewelries. once again Clothing Line Hong Kong for sending me a bunch of beautiful accessories and items. I really love it. यदि तपाईहरुलाई मेरो भिडियो मन पर्यो भने please like, share and subscribe गरिदिनु होला. And I'm in Kathmandu, Nepal at the moment, so I'll be making travel vlogs very soon. I hope you guys will like it. Thank you. Bye.